Hey, what's up YouTube? Your girl Abby here, and today I'm going to be giving you my 2-month lock update. It's actually maybe like a week and a half since I've been 2 months, but a lot has been happening, mainly with trying to retie my hair. So anyway, let's just go and get into it. If you're new to my channel, be sure to subscribe. If you're interested in Microlocs and want to just be part of my journey, maybe we can learn from each other, go ahead and subscribe. But yeah, let me go ahead. So it's been 2 months since I was officially locked, and if you have not been following me, I did install these locks myself. So they're DIY Microlocs. I did the 2-strand twist method, and I will link my 1-month update here if you want to check that out. And I'll actually be uploading the install videos. It's maybe gonna be like maybe 3 parts of it. I will be uploading those next. But yeah, so I just did my 2nd wash on it yesterday, and I braided and banded. So this is how I braided and banded. And then I just washed my hair, and then I used Jamaican black castor oil on my scalp because it was kind of irritating. It was itchy. It felt like I needed to wash my hair. So that was my 2nd wash ever. Actually, that was my 2nd wash on my locks, and it went pretty smoothly, and I didn't add anything else. I didn't add any conditioner. And one thing I'll say about having locks, I really thought my hair was going to be dry. I was going to need to be spraying it all the time and moisturizing it, and really I haven't. This 2nd month I wasn't spraying my hair every day. I think what really happened when I first had my hair installed and it just had that like straight look to me, and that was because I blow dried it before I installed it. To me, it looked really just like dry. So I was spraying it, and I wanted it to shrink and have the full like natural hair, kind of like my natural curls or kinks. So yeah, I was spraying it like almost every day. And then this time around, when I washed my hair the last time and I was actually doing the retie as I went, I was doing sections, and I moisturized it with the Line Locs. I can't recall if I continued moisturizing it with it once the retie is a whole nother. There's gonna be a video on that. It may have already been uploaded. If it is, I will link it. If not, stick around, it'll be coming up. But it took me a long time. It took me 2 weeks to retie my hair. Yes, 2 weeks. So if you are going to be doing your own Microlocs and you're going to be maintaining it yourself, that is going to be something that you definitely need to consider. Now, I have 410 locks in my hair. Let me tell you, I wasn't really thinking the retie was going to be that hard, and it was hard. It took me 2 weeks, not like 2 weeks that I was working on it every day. There were just like some days that I just was like, I'm not going to be able to do this. Also, I had my mom help me because it was really hard to be like this and having my neck bent. I'm sure in time it's going to get better, but I did notice as I was going, it started going faster. And I had my mom help me with these middle and back sections, and I pretty much did the front. Yeah, the retie experience was the most difficult part of it so far. Next time, the next tightening, I guess I will be more prepared, and I probably will have my mom help me out again if she's available to do that. But yeah, if you are considering Microlocs and you are going to be maintaining it yourself, think about that, how much time you have and how much energy you have to be retying it. So besides that, yeah, I explained this was my 2nd wash. I used the same shampoo I've been using, Shea Moisture, castor oil, and ACV, something like that. I'll link it so you can see. But other than that, everything's been going good. I haven't really noticed buildup. I do my edges. I typically do that if I'm going to be going out. Today, I'm gonna try and film some Reels or TikTok videos. So I said, why not just do my makeup? Anyway, while I explain, I guess what's been going on with my hair, any changes I've noticed, I will take the braids out and will moisturize. And same as before, what I will be spraying my hair with is a mixture of water, rose water, and oh my goodness, what was that other product? I forgot the other product. I'm gonna link it here. Just forgot the name, and I'll put the name of it under. Just can't remember right now. This is probably gonna be, like I said, the only time I'm going to moisturize it, because last time after I put this on, I didn't really have to do anything. Maybe a couple times I sprayed it with some rose water, but for the most part I did not have to do much to it, which was really cool. Let's see, trying to think what I didn't. These lock updates, I probably should do better and have like a list of things I need to hit, but I don't have a list. The style I've mainly been wearing my hair in is just down, and it's been nice. I thought I was going to be doing half wigs and stuff, but I've really actually just enjoyed my own hair down. I haven't put it in like ponytails and stuff because I'm trying to avoid tension. As you know, I have I call it my alopecia spot back here. Let me show you. It's getting better, but that was from hair I lost over probably stress, not enough sleep, maybe not taking care of myself as I should have been. Now, after that happened, that became a focus of mine, and it's been growing back, and I'm just not even really worried about it. My locks cover it, so it hasn't really been a problem for me. Look how, I don't know if you can see how moisturized this is, like, or if you can tell. I know it's just a video, but if I take this out and you see the difference, maybe you can tell. Okay, you see how this one's all kind of stiff? And how this here is all kind of stiff. And this is like so buoyant. Is that the word? It's just freely moving. It didn't ruin my braid out, so you still see the like crinkles from it. This one's just dry, so it does make a difference. So let's see, I've talked about my wash. I'm still gonna stick to maybe washing every 4 to 6 weeks. I think it's probably been about 4 weeks. I think I did, yeah, because I washed it my first month. So right now I've been washing every 4 weeks, and I think I'm gonna stick with that. It's just what feels right for me. The re-ties, I'm probably gonna do it every 6 weeks. And seeing it takes me about 2 weeks, or it took me 2 weeks. Hopefully the next time it won't take me 2 weeks. But seeing it took me 2 weeks to get it done, I probably will start retying it at 4 weeks maybe then. So then if it does take me 2 weeks, I'm at least done by the 6 weeks. So that's probably what I'll do. Wash it 4 weeks. I'm just making this up now as we go. My lock regimen, I'm gonna be washing it 4 weeks, then I'm gonna start retightening, and then I should be done with it by 6 weeks, right? Well, that's that. What next? Talked about the styles. Today I am going to try maybe putting my hair up in a ponytail because I want to do a reel, and I feel like if I have it up, that might be a nice style with the dress I want to do the reel with. But as far as maintenance, this has been the best decision ever. Like, I traveled recently to Atlanta and I didn't take any. It was nice to not have to really carry any hair product except my edge control and a little travel size spray bottle of rose water. And that was really all I used. And I took my bonnet and the little scarf thing I wear at the front. But it's so nice not having to bring a flat iron, not having to bring a bunch of other things. Yeah, I'm really enjoying it. Like I said, I will probably try doing some I have a bunch of half wigs that I want to use. There's my baby.
Sleepy.
You're sleepy?
Yeah, baby.
You're very, very sleepy?
I gotta fix my bed.
You can fix your bed? Okay. You can go ahead and you want to take a nap? You can.
I gotta take a nap.
Okay. That's fine.
I have a long day.
You had a long day?
Yeah.
What were you doing? What made your day long? It's only 2 o'clock.
What happened yesterday? What happened yesterday?
What happened yesterday?
You called the mailman. Come.
The mailman?
Come. Come.
Wow.
Say, hey, come here. Come.
Why were you calling the mailman?
Cause now what happened last morning in the park. Last I did it that way. Cause now it's gone. And that is the gas station. Like that to get my stand first. And look, do I tie? Look at acid bottle sword. Really? Yeah. This is okay.
You're gonna hang my dress?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Kai.
Mommy
Yes, Kai.
is having a cock.
Oh, mommy's gonna fix it, okay? Don't worry, I'm gonna fix it.
Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome.
It's starting. It's starting to be red.
All right, here we go. This is the final look of my braid out, I guess. So I washed my hair, I put the line locks in, and well, first I sprayed my little mixture here, my rose water mixture, and this is what it looks like. So yeah, anyway, this whole time I thought I was charging my camera battery and I wasn't. So this is the final look of my braid out, my wash, my braid and band braid out. So yeah, this is the final look of my style. I decided to clip this, like just do a little twist and clip it. I guess it's my first like real style since I've had my Microlocs. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to know more about my journey or see how my journey continues with Microlocs, please subscribe, stick around, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it or found it useful, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.